In today's video, we are diving into an exciting comparison between two popular countertop ice makers, the Kismile Nugget ice maker and the Electactic ice maker. Both of these machines promise convenience and efficiency, but which one truly stands out? Join us as we explore their features, pricing, and overall usability to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to pricing, the Kismile Nugget ice maker is priced at $219, making it a more significant investment for those looking for a high-capacity ice maker. In contrast, the Electactic ice maker is priced at just $89, offering a budget-friendly option for those who need a portable ice maker without breaking the bank. This price difference could be a deciding factor for many consumers, especially those on a tight budget or looking for a cost-effective solution for their ice-making needs. In terms of ice production, the Kismile Nugget ice maker boasts an impressive capacity of 35 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. On the other hand, the Electactic ice maker produces 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, which is still substantial but may not suffice for larger parties. Understanding your ice consumption needs will help you choose the right machine for your lifestyle. Usability is another crucial factor to consider. The Kismile Nugget ice maker features a one-click operation, allowing users to easily start the ice-making process without complicated settings. Meanwhile, the Electactic ice maker also includes a self-cleaning feature, which simplifies maintenance and ensures that your machine stays clean and efficient. Both machines offer user-friendly designs, but the specific features may appeal to different user preferences. In conclusion, both the Kismile Nugget ice maker and the Electactic ice maker have their unique advantages. The Kismile offers higher ice production and a premium feel, while the Electactic provides affordability and ease of maintenance. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either could be the right choice for your home or office. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.